This is my Phantom wallet, and as you can see, I have stacked over $250,000, not by trading, but through deving. If you watch this video, I'm going to show you the simple step-by-step process I used to dev coins consistently making money. Watch the video and find out how it's done. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, folks, we're nearly at the live demonstration portion of the video, but just something I wanted to talk about, which kind of proves why deving, I think, is the way forward. We're going to compare kind of how a coin performs versus, the amount of transactions and trades that people are making in the top bracket and the kind of profits they're making. So if you look here, initially, we've got this massive bump up over the first 30 minutes, which is something I think we'll be able to take advantage of as well. When a coin starts and it's got the right conditions, it just kicks up into high gear immediately. Now, then over the next 6 hours, it would rise up before it would start coming down a little bit. And now, if this was on the rise and I was just a standard trader, would I have the patience and would I have the faith that the dev is not just going to pull out and rug pull everybody? But look here, this trader here, bang, 15k in one transaction. Now that usually doesn't happen on the trade, that happens on the dev, because when you dev, you get much more consistent profit. So we are going to use createcoin.fun and launch our own coin. So the best part, we only need a bit of Solana and there's no coding required. We do not need to know how to go clackety clack with our keyboard. We just need to click a few buttons. Brilliant. So since I found this service, I've found out many things about it. One of those things is the kind of market that it uses. So we're looking here at the pump market. Now, pump used to be really good back in the day, but now it is just full of bloat and shit coins. Every time you upload a coin to pump, you end up competing with 10,000 other coins that came out that second and all the others that are already there. So the market caps don't really grow a great deal, okay? And also there's loads of restrictions, there's loads of fees. It's a real problem. But switching from pump to Matora using dynamic on Axiom, we can see that we have much higher market caps. So looky here, we've got these great market caps here, 116k, 365k, brilliant, fantastic. And that is a market that we are going to take advantage of using Create Coin. That's the market it trades on. So now, first of all, you need to be prepared. So I have got just over $100 in my Phantom wallet. That is the amount that you're going to need, around $100 of Solana, and you'll be fine. So connect the wallet up, make sure it's all connected, easy as that, okay? Then we're going to launch our own coin. So what you would normally do when you launch your own coin is you would come up with a name, a symbol, and an image. Now that can be whatever you want. It can be your own name if you wanted to, but most people would put it to a narrative or a tweet from someone famous or an event or something like that. Problem is that requires marketing, knowing the market and what's going on and things like that. But we're not going to do any of that. We are going to use the copy trending tab. Now this tab here is really interesting because what it does is it looks at coins that are already doing well on pump. And as we discussed, the pump market is not perfectly suited for what we're doing, but these coins have already done really well. So they have a lot of hype around them. So we can take a coin, copy it over to Matora, and then take advantage of both the hype of the coin and the better market conditions. So you've got their name, you've got the last time it was paired, and the potential market cap. Okay, so you can use all this to make a decision. Any of these would be a good choice, but I think for today, let's go with one with a really high market cap previously, because 2.1 million, that's incredible. So we're going to hit copy on that, and then what will happen is there will be a little menu that comes up that will say request blocked. There we go, request blocked. Fantastic. So you need to click proceed, confirm, tick a box, and confirm. Okay, this is a standard part of the process. This happens every time you set up a new wallet with createcoin.fun. So just make sure you tick through that process. As you can see, I'm doing it myself. Nothing disastrous is happening. I know it looks disastrous, but it's just a normal part of the process. So now we've created our token. So what we need to do is we need to create a liquidity pool. So this is us putting a bit of our own coin into our Memecoin, which gives it some value and then allows it to go on the market. So here we are. We're at the create liquidity pool menu. Now we've got all this information here, but the only information we need to worry about is the amount of SOL. We don't have to worry about the amount of tokens and things like that. We just want the amount of SOL. So I've done a load of experimenting previously, and the best amount of SOL for me has always been 0.2. 0.2 SOL is the way to go. It's the most consistent. It gives you the best profit margins. That's what I found to work best. Feel free to experiment yourself, but if you're doing this for the first time, I would highly recommend doing 0.2. That is what I would go with. So we're going to create a pool there, and then we hit confirm. Fantastic. So we are now ready to go nearly. There's just one more step we need to do, but first you can see all the information about our coin. Now we are going to hit this lightning bolt button. Now what this this does is it boosts our token onto the top of Dex Screener's trending list for an hour. I'm not even going to run this for an hour, and you're going to see the positive effects of this. So imagine if you did run it for an hour. Now, we're going to pay the 0.25 sol, and that is a important investment to make because we are going to make that money back and then some, even on top of the stuff we've already put into the coin. So we will indeed be hitting that boost button and making sure that our coin gets in front of all the bots and people who follow the trends. Okay, so that is a real crucial part to make this method consistent. Has to be done. All right, now let's take a quick look on Dex Screener and see how our coin performs. So starting at 0, of course, as all coins do, and already we've kicked up quite nicely, a little bit like the coin we looked at earlier. So market cap, already we are ahead of quite, I would say, a vast majority of the pump market already at 2.4k. That is brilliant, and of course there's some fluctuation. That's just how the game goes, but so long as people have put some coin into our meme coin, we are looking at a tasty profit. Now, speaking of, I make money on these videos, of course I do. I'm showing you right now, but if you would like to be in with a chance of winning half of what I make this video, then please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of what I make in this video. So please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in order to be put into that prize pool. Okay, so we're going to run this for a little bit. I think I'll switch back in a moment. Here we are. So createcoin.fun, we're back on the site. Let's take a quick refresh. Now, we started at $15 as our estimated value. Let's see what that has turned into. Okay, so $15, give us a moment. Here we go, $794.2. Fantastic. Let's remove all of that liquidity. So we hit the minus button, hit 100%, remove the liquidity. That's all going straight into our pocket. This is the rug pull, by the way, guys. This is what's happening every time somebody rug pulls you. Now we get our phantom wallet back, and we can have a look. From $100, we've gone to nearly $800, guys. So if you want to be in with nearly $400, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.